In this video, we are going to show you how to switch between views in Poppy AI. Now, if you want to zoom in, zoom out, reset your visuals, it's quite simple. You want to click on here on the very bottom right? So click zoom, so you can zoom in, zoom out, of course, do that. If you want to reset your view, press 1 on your keyboard. It's going to be like this. So you can, for example, you have multiple boards and it's cramping up your screen. You want to press zoom out so that you can see other boards. You can do that, right? For example, you want to add one more. You have multiple things going on, which a lot of us can have. There we go. There we go. So one more. Put it here. Add a group. So for example, we are working on this one, right? We can't see the other ones. We can click and drag. That's another way to switch your views, right? You can switch by using your mouse. Click drag. You can see your other board, your other chatbots, right? Your other processes, right? Or if you want to see the entire thing, you can just zoom out, right? And I'm like, okay, so this is what I'm working with right now. If you want to zoom in, I want to zoom into this one first. As you can see, that's how it works, as simple as that. So if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description we have provided below. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.